Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate car service appointments on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. Yes, that instead of you, one automated chatbot will reply to your users and done their car service appointments without you doing any manual efforts. For that, we are going to create an automated WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account regarding the car services, then automatically your bot will be replying to them. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this is right over here is the automated WhatsApp chatbot that we are going to create in this video. This will automate car service appointments on WhatsApp without you doing any manual efforts. And this automated chatbot is created in just 10 minutes. Yes. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users in real time. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of car service. Here I am going to send my first message as car service. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that hello, welcome to Auto Care Garage. Please choose a service you would like to book for your vehicle, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of services, that is general service, engine check and car wash detailing. Here I want to book for a general service, so I am selecting this. Then you can see it will ask me to share my full name. So I am sharing my full name as a test user. Then it will ask me to share my vehicle's name, model and the year. So I am sharing some details about my vehicle. Here I send some details about my vehicle. Then you can see it will ask me to share the date when I would like to book the service. So I am sharing one date also. Then it will ask me to share the timing. Then you can see the bot will provide me one customized message which includes my name that I have shared as a test user, service type as general service, date and time. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot that will done car service bookings without you doing any manual efforts, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Now as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate car service appointments on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button. With the help of this toggle your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive and it will not reply to your user. And another one is the save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as car service. After writing the keyword you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here, book service. Here I added only two keywords, you can add multiple. Now whenever my user will set any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message which includes the list of the car services that I am providing to them. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer, where I am not writing any header or footer in this case, so that I am directly entering the body. Here I added, that is hello, welcome to Auto Care Garage. Please choose a service you'd like to book for your vehicle. After that I want to write the types of services. For that I am clicking on this H section button, where I am going to write the section title as service types. After that I want to add the types of services, so I am clicking on this plus add items button 3 times. Here I am adding only 3 types of services. You can add multiple. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I added, that is general services, engine check and car washing and detailing. After that I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is trigger, to this message by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the service type, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, here I am going to do the setting up of one custom field tag. For that I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field, drag this box here where I select the contact custom field as service type, and in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is general service, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this general service type, so that I am connecting this circle to this message. Now I am going to do the setting up of 2 more contact custom field nodes here for both of these service types. Here I added, you can see I have used the same contact custom field here, that is the service type, but I only changed the value because at the end this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected data. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field node here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before that, at first you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of uses. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of service type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I set it this contact custom field node. Now whenever my user will select the service type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that I am taking one ask question button, drag this box here and writing a question in this enter message box as, can you please share your full name to confirm your vehicle service booking? After that I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that the format I select as text, then the number of attempt I'll give as 0. Number of attempt is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have written here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide the answer in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempt for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempt as 0, so there is no no requirement of any validation message. After that, I'm connecting all these three circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share the details of the vehicle, service booking date and the time. For that, I am going to do the setting up of 3 more questions. The process of adding questions into your flow would be the same. Here I added all the questions, where in this I have asked my user to share the vehicle's details. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as vehicle details here. After that, I ask my user to share the date for booking the service. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as booking date. Then the format I select as date. And the last, I ask my user to share the timing. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as booking time. And the format I selected as any. Now, whenever all these processes should done, then at last my bot will provide one customized message to my user. For that, I am clicking on this messages option and take button as text button. Drag this box here and writing a message as your vehicle service booking is confirmed. Here's are the details: owner name with $symbol, full name, service type, booking date and booking time. You can see I have used the $symbol here because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my users dynamically. As whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field not, automatically my bot will capture their response and reply to them by mentioning their provided name in this place. Also same for the service type and booking date time also. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate car service appointments on WhatsApp without you doing any manual efforts. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated chatbot will reply to your users in real time like this. Done the process of booking car service appointment into your garage without you doing any manual efforts. And the best part is this automated chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.